Hey, hey, the votes are in and we're doing pink. Lots of different shades of pink. Today I'm using Prismacolor and Crayola color pencils, a few markers, and even a white acrylic marker for highlights. This video is a part 2, so if you haven't seen the Hyacinth drawing tutorial, don't worry, I'll put the link in the description. I want to send a huge shout out to everyone who shared their ideas, and I'm going to pin their channels down in the description so you can check them out. So I started with a light pink marker. There was no rhyme or reason to it. I just figured that it felt right. And all I did was make little stars all throughout the flower. In just a little while, you're going to see where I use deeper pinks to add more contrast. For this hyacinth, since I started with marker, that's what I continued to use. I laid down a vibrant base color before layering on top. Something I've seen other art channels try is layering colored pencils over markers. And I thought, why not experiment with it here? I figured it would be a fun way to challenge myself. So for the stem and leaves, I decided to do the same thing that I did with the petals. I used my lightest color first, yellow, then I went over it with green. I found that the marker gives me a strong, flat color to build on, and then I found out the pencils are going to give me the texture, depth, and all the different color shades and shifts that I was looking for. Now that I've switched to color pencils, I'm going to tell you about how much time it took me to fill all these petals in. Hyacinths are really detailed flowers. All those tiny petals layered together almost feel endless when I started to color them in. Not too long after I started though, I realized that I'm not aiming for any realism. I'm just a beginner and I'm figuring out my own style. Through this process, I'm realizing that it doesn't have to be perfect, and all I can do, or all I have to do, is focus on color and blending rather than trying to capture every single detail of the flower. If you're new to this channel, or you've been here before, you know that I love symbolism. Did you know that hyacinths are symbols of rebirth, springtime, and beauty? And in the language of flowers, a pink hyacinth is going to represent playfulness and joy. To finish things off, I'm using a white acrylic marker to add a few highlights. This is something I've never tried before, but I found that this little touch makes the petals look like they're catching the light. I have to say I really enjoyed myself, and I loved how this pink hyacinth turned out. Thank yous to everyone who suggested the color choice. And don't forget to check the description so you can find out about their channels. If you'd like to see more flower tutorials, stay tuned. There'll be more to come. Please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and leave me a comment on anything that I should try next. Thanks for coming with me on my creative art journey. Another flower is done. So that's a wrap for me. Let me go ahead and get back to the drawing board.